Hi, I'm Alan and I'd like to tell you about our experience building the Crossroads Ecomotel here in Port Augusta, South Australia. An energy efficient motel provides obvious savings on heating and cooling and also offers other benefits, some of which may surprise you. An eco-motel does not mean composting toilets or being stingy with water pressure in the shower. Rather, it means being environmentally responsible and carefully considering resource efficiency and matching the building dynamics to the local site and climate. The thermal mass of the internal rammed earth walls makes the rooms feel quieter and more solid. So in planning our eco-motel, what did we consider? Firstly, the needs of our guests, which was to provide a level of comfort better than, or at least the same as their own home. Secondly, the building site, the local environment, and how different building materials perform within that environment. Thirdly, we considered the cost and life cycle of the materials and the ease of construction. Port Augusta has an arid or desert type climate, meaning long and very hot summers and cold winters. We need to be able to keep the heat out in summer and the warmth in during winter. We did this by combining the thermal mass of the rammed earth walls and the concrete slab with the superior insulation of the structural insulated panels, or SIPs. The building envelope needed to be well insulated and airtight. We used double glazed windows to utilise natural light, and we opened these to allow cross ventilation and keep the rooms fresh. Large eaves were used to shade the walls and the windows in summer, and we're growing glory vines over the pergola or deck area to give cool summer shade and allow the light in winter. The hot summers in Port Augusta, where it can reach 40 degrees for stretches of 10 days or more, mean we still need air conditioning. We use split systems for cooling during summer, and combined with the rammed earth walls, the air conditioning units operate efficiently and quietly and keep the rooms chilled at 21 to 22 degrees Celsius. The reverse is true for winter. The surprise for me is how well the buildings perform. With other power-saving considerations such as heat pumps for hot water, LED lights and 20 kilowatt of solar panels, our energy costs are about $13,000 per annum for 22 rooms, and that includes doing all our own laundry on site. The actual build cost was about the same as a traditional build, but the energy savings over the life of the building will be significant. After 3 years, we are already well in front. We also have about 130,000 litres of rainwater storage that is used to establish the arid smart garden using native plants to attract and provide habitat for native flora and fauna. So what have we learned from this process? Build for your particular climatic and site conditions. Do not use SIPs in bushfire-prone areas, as the heat ball effect will melt the foam and you will lose the structural integrity of the building. In cool climates, put the rammed earth on the outside, so it captures the sun's heat during the day, and have it shaded when it's hot in summer. Do your homework and find out about the building methods and products on offer. SIPs are not as soundproof as I'd hoped, and the quantum heat pumps are noisy. Poor quality tradespeople should be outed. Front doors have a 5 or 10 millimetre gap that's drafty and allows dirt and dust inside and fails to keep the rooms airtight. You can't do anything about those who put the air conditioning on at 16 degrees Celsius when it's 40 degrees outside and sleep under a doona. I still don't understand our building energy system, where a Federation-style stone villa with a large veranda and high ceilings doesn't meet the standard, and a newly built Tuscan toilet with an 8.5 kilowatt reverse cycle system costing $10,000 a year to run does. I'm waiting for prices of battery storage electric cars to come down, then I'll use my electric car to store the excess energy produced during the day and feed it back into the system at night when my peak demand is. The building should last another 200 years and be fully recyclable. So if you're interested in green buildings, come and check us out and find out more about practical, energy efficient living. The fat lady's about to sing.